Good afternoon students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in my previous video we have seen what do we mean by a set and two ways of representing a set, that is by using a set builder form, and the second one is roster form or tabular form. Okay, and also we have seen the exercise 1.1. in that we have solved the question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, so in today's video we'll see the question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, so we'll begin with the question number 3. So question number 3 says that we have to write the following sets in roster form. Okay, so now here they have given all the sets in a set builder form. Okay, and now this we have to write them in a roster form. Okay, so now here the first question, it says that a equal to x such that x is an integer and that x is greater than -3 but it is less than 7. Now here the property of x is given. Now from this property we have to list down the elements, okay, which x takes. Now here what will be the answer here? Now first we have told that x is an integer, okay, and that x has to be between -3 and 7. Okay, so this will be -3. Okay, so now one more thing, here we cannot include -3 because here we have clearly told that x lies between -3 and 7, but here there is no equal to sign. If here it was a equal to sign, then we would have included -3 and 7, but here equal to sign is not there, therefore we cannot include -3 and 7. So here we will write -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this was the solution to the first question. Then second one we have b equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. Okay, so now here the property of x is given as that x is a natural number and it is less than 6. They have not told us less than and equal to 6. If equal to was given, then we would have included 6. Now here we cannot include 6. Okay, and we know that natural numbers, they start from 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so now coming to the next question, c equal to x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay, so now whatever the 2 digits number we will write here, when we will add those 2 digits, the sum should be equal to 8. Okay, this property, that number should follow. Now first what we have is 17. Okay, then next we have is 53. Okay, now this we can write it as 71 also and 35 also. Then we have 44. Okay, 4 plus 4 is 8. Then next what we have is 62. Okay, and then 26. Okay, so any 2-digit number we have missed here? Okay, no. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now coming to the next question, fourth one, that is d equal to x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Now what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself and by 1. Okay, they have only two divisors, that is 1 and itself. Okay, so now x is taking this property that x is a prime number which is divisible, which is a divisor of 60. Now here we have 2. Okay, 2 is a prime number and it divides 60. Also 3 is a prime number, okay, and it also divides 60. And next what we have is a 5. Okay, 5 is also a prime number and it is a divisor of 60. Now next what we have is the next prime number what we have is a 7. It is a prime number but it does not divide 60. So here this only terms will come. Now next we have the fifth question. It says that E equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Okay, letters in the word trigonometry. So when this type of question will come, you have to ignore the repetition of the letters. Okay, that is, this you have to check whether only that the letter is appearing only once. Now here T is appearing 2 times, so that T we have to take only once. Okay, so this T is gone. Then R, it is also coming twice, but that R we have to take only once. Then next is I is also it is appearing only once. Then G, it is also appearing once. Then O is appearing twice, so we have to take it only once. Then N, M, E and Y. Okay, 2 T's or 2 O's we are not supposed to write, only once we have to write. Now next what we have, F equal to the set of all letters in the word better. Okay, so this is also very simple. So this is equal to B. Similarly, like how we have done this, so B, E only we have to write once, T only once, and R. Okay, so I hope this question number 3 is clear to everyone. If you all have any difficulty, then you all can post your doubts in the comment section. Now next go to the question number 4, which says that write the following sets in the set builder form. Now here we are given the questions in the roster form, but we have to guess the property of these elements and write them in the set builder form. Okay, so now first question is first elements, list of elements in the roster form. It is given as 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, now here we can see that this is a multiple of 3, but till where? Till 4. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so here we'll write it as x such that this x is equal to 3n, and this n will lie between 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Okay, so when we will put the values of n between 1 and 4, we will get this set of elements. Okay, so now the next we have this. Okay, now second one we have this, that is 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Now we know that 2 raised to 1 is 2, then again 2 square is 4, then 2 cube is 8, then 2 raised to 4 if you do, you will get 16. Now as we increase the powers of 2, we are getting this set. Okay, and 2 raised to 5 is 32. That means we will write this as x such that x is equal to 2 raised to n, but till where? Till we take the n equal to 5, we are getting 32, and when we will take n equal to 1, we are getting 2. Okay, that means this n will lie between 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Okay, so now moving to the next question. This is the third one. This is also very simple. 5, 25, 125 and 625. Now we know that 5 raised to 1 is 5, then 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 5 cube is 125 and 5 raised to 4 is 625. Okay, so now here also, like the previous question, we will write x such that x is equal to 5 raised to n. Okay, this is raised to n, 5 raised to n, and n, it should lie between 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Okay, so now coming to the next question. Now this is very simple. These are just the even natural numbers. Okay, so x equal to the set of even natural, okay, set of even natural numbers. Okay, now this fifth one, this is 1, 4, 9, 100. Now here we can see that this is a square of 2, this is a square of, this is a square of 3, okay, and this is the square of 10. So these are all other squares. So this will be x such that x is equal to n square. Okay, and till 100 they have given, and square of 10 is 100. That means this n should be less than or equal to 10, less than or equal to 1. So when we will put n equal to 1, 1 square will get 1. When we will put n equal to 2, 2 square is 4, and so on till 10. Okay, now we are done with the question number 4. Again the same thing. If you all have any queries in question number 4, then you all can ask it in the comment section. Okay, now coming to question number 5. Question number 5 says that we have to list all the elements of the following sets. Okay, now here they have again given us the property of x. Now using this property we have to list down the elements. Okay, so now first question, it says that a equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. Okay, now what are natural numbers? We know natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Now but it has to be odd. Okay, so odd meaning 1 will come, then 3 will come, 5 will come, 7 will come, 11 will come, okay, sorry, 9 will come, 11 will come, and so on. Okay, and if even natural numbers had given, we would have written it as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Okay, now next the second question, it says that b equal to x such that x is an integer. Okay, x is an integer and that x lies between minus half and 9/2. Now minus half meaning minus 0.5 and 9/2 meaning 4.5. okay, and x lies between this, and this minus 0.5 and 4.5 is not included because here we are not having equal to sign. Okay, so that means here what elements will come? Now this minus 0.5 is not included. Okay, so here we will get 0, 1, 2, okay, 0, 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Okay, so these elements will come here. Now next question is third question, that is c equal to x such that x is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. Now here we have to list the elements, okay, such that x is an integer, okay, and when you will square that integer, that answer has to be less than or equal to 4. Okay, now we know that minus 2 square is 4 and 2 square is also equal to 4. Okay, so that means here minus 2 will come and 2 will come, and inside now we are writing all the remaining terms because it will be less than. Now 1 square is 1, which is less than 4. Again 0 square is 0 and 1. Okay, we cannot go beyond this and beyond this because it is less than and equal to 4. Okay, now moving ahead to the next question, fourth one, D equal to X such that X is a letter in the word lawyer. Now this is very simple. No two letters should repeat. So in loyal, L is repeating twice. We will write it as only once. So LOY and A. Okay, so now moving to the fifth question, it says that E equal to X such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. Okay, so now here you can check your calendar. Okay, so then the months which are not having 31 days are February, then April, June, September and November. Okay, now moving to the sixth question here. Sixth question, it says that F is equal to X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Okay, now now here we have vowels and consonants. Now vowels, everyone knows that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so in the English alphabet, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Now other than vowels, whatever alphabets are there, we call them as a consonants. Okay, so now which precedes K, that means whatever consonants which are there behind K, that we have to list them here, we have to list them out. Okay, so now here A is a vowel. Okay, so we'll not write here. Then B will come, C will come, D will come, then E is a vowel, then F, G, H, I is a vowel and J. Okay, so these are the consonants in the English alphabet which are behind K. Okay, so now again, if you have any difficulty in this question number 5, you all can post your queries in the comment section. Okay, so now we have the last question number, that is question number 6, match the pairs. Okay, so now here in the one column we are given the set of elements in the roster form, and here in the another column we have given the sets in a set builder form. Now we have to match them up. Okay, so now here the first question, first obvious one will do. Okay, so now here the third one is MATHEMICS, and here D option is X such that X is a letter of the word mathematics. So obviously the third one will go with D. Okay, so now coming to the first question. Okay, coming to the first question, before that we'll see fourth one. It says that 1 3 5 7 9, and here we have an option, that is X such that X is an odd natural number less than 10. Okay, so fourth will go with B. Now let's see the first question. It says that 1 3 2 6, and what else is remaining? 2 3. Now 1 2 3 6. Now two options are remaining here. X such that X is a prime number. Now let's see among these two and first and two, 6 is not a prime number, so this one cannot go with this A. Okay, so this one will go with the C. Okay, which says that X such that X is a natural number and divisor of 6. So 1 will go with C and the 2 will go with A. Okay, so this was the easy exercise. Match the pairs were easy, and again, if you all have any difficulty or any queries regarding this question number 6, you all can post your queries in the comment section. I will answer. Okay, so in the next video we'll look at the next part of this lesson. Okay, and also we'll solve exercise problems. So if you like my video, then please press like button and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you all. Okay, bye.